Yo, what's up, guys? So I want to show you a little trick that I learned the other day. Basically, your designs that you have up already, it's a very simple click, and then you can add the designs to the new products, right? For example, if you have a design on a shirt and you want to add it to a mask, all your designs to mask, very simple. So let's get into the video. Let me show you exactly what I'm talking about, because it's a little hard to explain, right? Let's get into it. All right, guys, yo, what's up? What's going on? Hopefully you guys are having an awesome day. I wanted to share a quick little tip with you guys. This is basically your existing design. So if you have designs, let's say you have 30, 40, 100, 200, 1,000 designs on Redbubble already, and you don't have them available on certain products, right? Basically what you're going to do is you're going to enable them on products. So for example, like masks are going really crazy right now, and you have all these designs up, and you don't want to go through them one by one. What you're going to do is come over here to select all, and this is going to select the designs. Okay, select all the designs. I'm not sure if it's going to select all of them on the second page or just select all of them on the first page. And what you're going to do is come over here to available on, and then you're going to scroll down to, you're going to scroll here to masks, right? And then you're going to click that and click enable. Now, when the designs are available on the product, you guys want to double check and make sure that the correct size on there, right? You want to make sure everything looks good and clean on there. But yeah, that's a quick little tip I wanted to share with you guys, and this also applies to any other products, right? If you guys do not have your designs available on other products, you can do that too as well. So a quick little tip right there. Hopefully that helps right there. Any questions at all, comment down below, and then also to check out my other Redbubbles that I've been creating. Okay, I've been creating a lot of content around Redbubble. Just want to show you guys the ins and outs of Redbubble and show you guys how to make money for sure. All right, peace out.